gosh, Patrick, what do you got in the bag?
Well, as one of my first 55 backers, and because you're within walking distance, I thought I would hand deliver your Kickstarter reward.
Ooh. What is this? Is Milo here to help out? All right, so gift baggie. What do we got in here? We have, hey, that's right, Milo. More dogs over there. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. There it is. Whoa. Hand delivered a tiger's tail. You can't believe it. 10 years in the making?
At least.
Nice. Dun, dun, dun. You highlighted me and everything. Gosh. Super cool. Did it. Wow, it's all colored. Who would have thunk it? Love these designs. Dude. But wait, there's more. What are we doing?
Inside the
Okay,
envelope is one more
inside
piece.
the envelope. Uh-oh. What is this? Dun, dun, dun. It's a Patrick Lugo original. Holy cowabunga. Oh my god. There I am with Bodhidharma doing some freaking kung fu. Freaking did it. Good job, Patrick.